Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to solve x to the power x is equal to 3 to the power x plus 9 or x to the power x is equal to, according to this formula, a to the power m plus n is equal to a to the power m times a to the power n. We can write it as 3 to the power x times 3 to the power 9, or divided both side by 3 to the power x, we can write x to the power x over 3 to the power x is equal to 3 to the power x times 3 to the power 9 over 3 to the power x, or according to this law, a to the power m over b to the power m is equal to a over b whole to the power m. We can write x to the power x over 3 to the power x as x over 3 whole to the power x is equal to this 3 to the power x and 3 to the power x will cancel out, so it will remain 3 to the power 9. Or raising both sides power by 1 over 3, we can write x over 3 whole to the power 1 over 3 times x is x over 3 is equal to 3 to the power 9 times 1 over 3, or x over 3 whole to the power x over 3 is equal to 3 to the power 9 times 1 is 9 divided by 3 is 3, or according to this formula, a to the power a is equal to b to the power b, then a is equal to b. We can write it as, considering x over 3 as a to the power a is equal to this 3 as b to the power b. We can write a is equal to b, means x over 3 is equal to 3. Now we will have x is equal to 3 times 3 is 9. So this is the solution of this equation. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.